Hello students of the class 9. Today we discuss the last exercise of the Heron's formula, right? Heron's formula we normally use in the any triangles, okay, when all the sides is given, right? Parameter is given and you find the sides. So it's very easy to another formula also you use this different kind of solves, right? So now the question number 3, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with the colored paper as shown in the given figure. So find the total area of the paper used. Okay, this is the aeroplane figures, right? Okay, total they have the 5 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5, right? Okay, dimension of the different kind of parts. Okay, so first is the triangles, first part, right? So their both sides are equal, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and this side is a 1 centimeter. This one, so this is also 1 centimeter. Second part is a rectangle. The length is equal to 1 and breadth is equal to 6.5 centimeter, right? So in the figures, understand? Okay. Then after the third part is a trapezium. Third part is a trapezium. Okay. So this is 1 centimeter. This is 2. So 1 centimeter. This is 1 and this is 2 centimeter. Okay. This is the third part. Understand this? Okay. Then after, okay, there are two same equal parts, 4 and 5 parts. This is a 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeters. Okay, this is 1.5, this is 1.5 centimeter, but they both are the right triangle. They both are the right triangle. Clear? Okay, see in the figures. Understand this? Clear? Okay, so one by one, okay, we find the area of the parts. Okay, so let's start and then add this. We find out the whole amount of used in the papers, whole area used in the papers. Understand? Okay, so let's see that. Yes, students, part 1 for this. Okay, so for part 1, it is a triangle. It is a triangle. So dimension of this: A is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, B is equal to also 5 centimeter, and C is equal to 1 centimeter. So semi-parameter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 5 plus 5 plus 1 by 2, that means the 11 by 2 centimeter, right? S. Okay, so area of this part triangle. So area of triangle is equal to part 1 for this S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So we put here S, that means, right? Okay, so S, that means 11 by 2 into 11 by 2 minus 5, 11 by 2 minus 5, and 11 by 2 minus C, that means 1. So we got the answer of this: 11 by 2 into, okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2, that means the 9 by 2. Okay, so there 9 to 3 and 16 4, so 3 by 4 under root 11 centimeter square, right? Okay, but हमने सीखा था कि इसको रूट 11 को डेसिमल फॉर्म में लाना पड़ेगा. चलो, तो नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर कौन से नंबर्स का आ सकता है? जैसे 1 का 1 होता है, 2 का 4 होता है, ऐसे 3 का 9 होता है और 4 का 16. तो 16 तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. ओके, तो आप यहाँ पे 3 रखोगे, 3 and 3, you got this, and remaining 2, this one is 6. Okay, so now pair of this 2 0, the nearest is equal to 6 3 3, 3 3s are 9 and 89, you put here 3. Okay, so 9. Okay, again 1, and this one is 9, so 1 11. Okay, again this is the 66, again 2 0. Okay, so again 2 0, that approximate value 661, and 2 करेंगे तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Okay, so you have the 3 by 4 into 3.31, right? Okay, now here, then after, okay, so is equal to 3 into 3.31. So 3, 9 and 9.33 and divide by 4. So 4 2s are okay. How much? 4 2s are 3 है हमारे पास 11 का है approximate 3.31. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. 4 से हम लोग divide कर रहे हैं तो 4 2s are 8. That means 19. 4 4s are okay. तो 16. फिर again 3 4 8s are so 2 point approximate. ओके तो मैं लिख देता हूँ 2.48 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सो इज अप्रोक्सीमेट सपोज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इट इज द अप्रोक्सीमेट. चलो अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ओके सो अप्रोक्सीमेट 2.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. राइट. ओके तो पार्ट 1 हम लोग लिख देते हैं एरिया ऑफ दिस पार्ट 1 इज इक्वल टू 2.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर approx. Right. Okay. Now see the part 2. Okay, this is part 1 is clear. Now student part 2. Okay, so part 2. So part 2 is a rectangle, right? So L is equal to 1 centimeter and breadth is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So area of rectangle part, right, is equal to area of rectangle part is a L into V. So 1 into 6.5 is very simple, 6.5 centimeter square. So understand? Clear? So part 2 at that time. The area of part 2 is equal to 6.5 centimeter square. Right? Okay. Part 3. Right, students. Part 3 is a trapezium. Okay. So just see. We want this. Right. Okay. This is 1 centimeter whole 2. So this is also 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 1. This one is 2. Right? So the both parts are always equivalent by the theorem. So half. This one is also half. Right? So we have on the height. So suppose you have this. Copy that A, B, okay, C, D, and this is M. Right? So using the Pythagoras theorem, तो आप कह सकते हो by Pythagoras theorem, right? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in a triangle ADM is a right triangle. So AD square is equal to AM square plus BM square, right? Okay, so AD, that means the 1, AM unknown, right? And plus this is the half square. So therefore AM square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So AM is equal to under root 3 by 2. Clear? You find out. So this both perpendicular are same. So the area of trapezium. Okay, area of trapezium, that is equal to area of trapezium is equal to half into, okay, sum of the two parallel sides. So AB plus CD and into height here DM, AM, yeah, BM, right? Okay, so therefore 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 into under root 3 by 2, so 3. So therefore 3 under root 3 by 4. So 3 root 3, that means 3 into 1.732 divided by 4. Okay, so we multiply this 1732 into 3. So 6 9 1 2 carry forward over 5, right? Divide by 4. 5196 divided by 4. So exactly value approximate 4 1s are 4, 11, 4 2s are 8, right? 39 99. So therefore it is approximately 1.2099, right, centimeter square. So approximate, that means the 1.3 centimeter square. कितना मिल गया हमें 1.3 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, राइट, बिकॉज दिस इज द ट्रापेजियम. सो थर्ड पार्ट इज area of third part, okay, is equal to the 1.3 centimeter square. Understand? Clear? Okay, because this is the trapezium. So now the formula half into sum of two parallel side into the height. So it's clear? Okay, now fourth part, fourth and five parts are same, same, that means the area wise same. So first part, the area of part 4, right, this is the right triangle. Okay, so the part 4 is a right triangle, right. So it's simple, area of this right triangle is equal to half into, okay, half into product of two sides forming right angle, right, forming right angle. So it's simple, 1/2 into height is equal to 1.5, okay, and base that means the 6. You cut this, okay, so 4.5 centimeters square. Now area of part 4 plus is equal to area of part 5 are equal, right, both are equal. So area of this, so also the, so area of part 5 is also the 4.5 centimeters square. So total area of the paper used, okay, is equal to the area of part 1 to 5, okay. So therefore first part 2.5, second 6.5, third 1.3, 4.5 plus 4.5 centimeters square, right. At this, this is 9 and 6, 7, 9, 9 9 is 18, 18 plus, so 19.3 centimeters square. This is our answer, but approximate. Clear? Okay, this is the perfect decimal not, so that we approximate, take this. So understand? Clear? So this is our the answer, 19.3 centimeters square. Clear? Now we start the question number, then the question number 6. Okay, question number 6. And the umbrella is made by the stitching the 10 triangular pieces of the cloth of the two different colors. See in the figures. So the dimension is given that one is a 20 meter, this side is 50 meter, this side also 50 meter. Okay, how much cloth of the each color required for the umbrella? So it's simple, here the out of total 10 pieces, okay, 10 triangular, 1 2 3 4 ऐसे पूरे 10, right. The 5 are the dark color and 5 are the light color, okay, triangles, right. Okay, so we also find out the each color required area. Understand this? So total how much triangles are? 10 triangles are there, okay. So first of that, so the total 10, so we know that the 5 dark color, dark color triangle is equal to 5, okay, and light color triangle is also 5, right. Okay, dimension, मान लो A is equal to 20, B is equal to 50 centimeters, C is equal to 50. So we find out the first one, area of the triangles. So S is equal to here A plus B plus C by 2. So 20 plus 50 plus 50 and by 2. So is equal to 120 by 2, that means the 60 centimeter. So area of the one part of the triangles, right? Only the one part. So therefore S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So is equal to S means here, okay, so S 16, then 16 minus 20, then after 16 minus 50, also 60 minus 50 is equal to 60 into 40 into 10 and also into 10. So therefore 6 as it is 4 matlab 2 square, this 0 0, so 10 square again 10 square, so square root gayab, so 10 100 200, okay, under root 6 centimeter square. This is the area of the only one triangle. Here they are the different kind of, 5 are the dark and 5 are the 5 portions are dark triangles and 5 portions is a light triangles. So clear? Now let's start the first. So area of 5 dark triangular, right? How much? That, okay. So the 5 multiplied by 200 under root 6. So that means the 1000 under root 6 centimeter square. Similarly, area of 5 light colored triangle is equal to 5 part, 1 is a 200 and under root 6. So we got 1000 under root 6 centimeters square, right? So each 5 portion we find this here. Understand? Okay, it is very easy to solve this portions, right? So they are all importance example of the used in the diagram portions. So clear? Okay. So the first find the V are the dark color portion triangles and also the light color triangle portion. Understand? And we merge this. यहाँ पे each of बोला था तो भी हमने find कर लिया कि first 5 dark color triangulars area and then after area of the 5 light color triangle portions. So clear? Okay. So now start the question number 7 here. Okay. Question number 7 here. So first of that, a kite is in the shape of the square with the diagonal 32 centimeter and isosceles triangle based on the 8 centimeter. This one is 8 centimeter base and the sides 6 centimeter each. Both are as 6 centimeter each. So equal side is 6 centimeter, base is 8 centimeter. Is to be made of the 3 different shapes, 1, 2 and 3. Right? In the figure. So how much paper each shape has been used in each shape बोला है. तो different हम तीनों के अलग अलग आपको ढूंढने part 1, part 2 and part 3. Clear? Okay. So you know that square, that means the all angles, all sides are equal and also the all angles are right angle. Okay. So one diagonal is given, that one diagonal is 32, right? So here is simple, the diagonals are. So first A B C D is a square, right? Okay. And AC is equal to BD is equal to 32 centimeter. Right? One with the shape of the diagonals are equal. A kite is the shape of the square, right? तो एक तो 32 मतलब दोनों 32 हो सकते हैं. Okay. तो क्या होगा? A right angle. तो in a triangle ABD, right? Triangle ABD. तो पाइथागोरस अप्लाई हम लोग कर सकते हैं. AB स्क्वायर प्लस AD स्क्वायर, BD क्या होगा? यहाँ पे डायगोनल्स है तो हाइपोटेनस बन गया. तो साइड तो हमें पता नहीं है तो x ले लो, x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 32 होल स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे तो 2x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 32 इंटू 32. सो x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 32 इंटू 32 बाई 2 आपने कट कर दिया, 16 आ गया. ओके. So x square is equal to 2 into 16 स्क्वायर हो गया, इसका 16 इसका 16, तो x इज इक्वल टू राइट 16 अंडर रूट 2 सेंटीमीटर। तो आपने स्क्वायर की साइड ढूंढ ली, कितना आ गया 16 अंडर रूट 2 सेंटीमीटर, राइट। अब देखो फर्स्ट पार्ट है, अब स्क्वायर का एरिया तो वैसे भी जानते हो, ओके, तो डायरेक्ट ढूंढ लो, तो पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2, बट पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 पूछा है इसीलिए आप कर सकते हो। तो हम लोग ने क्या करते, x मिल गया, तो ये तो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है, तो पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 दोनों का एरिया क्या आएगा 7 आएगा, ओके। तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ कि एरिया ऑफ पार्ट 1 इज इक्वल टू, आप नॉर्मली लिखते हो बराबर, क्या है ट्राइंगल है, तो इज इक्वल टू राइट ट्राइंगल, तो हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू अल्टीट्यूड, तो ए बी इंटू बी डी मान लो। तो हाफ ए बी कितना था आपका 16 अंडर रूट 2, तो बी डी कितना था 32, राइट, पर हाफ इंटू बेस आना चाहिए, तो वो भी कितना है 16 अंडर रूट 2, राइट। चलो इधर 2 2 कट हो गया, यहाँ पे अपने रूट 2, तो 256 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। तो सेम पार्ट आप भी जानते हो कि एरिया ऑफ पार्ट 2 इज ऑल्सो 256 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, ओके। चलो अब कौन बचा, आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल बचा, तो आपने याद रखो 256 आपके दोनों का पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 का आएगा, राइट। अब देखो लास्ट जो पोर्शन है पार्ट 3, सो एरिया ऑफ पार्ट 3 हम लोग चेक करते हैं। एरिया ऑफ पार्ट 3 ये कैसा है, तो आपने देखा कि ए जो बेस है हमारा ए 8 है और बाकी सब 6 है, तो हम लोग एस का यूज करेंगे, ए प्लस बी प्लस सी बाई 2 आइसोसिलेटेड। डायरेक्ट मैंने फॉर्मूला सिखाई थी, वो भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन ये सीधे नंबर से तो आप अप्लाई कर दो। 6 प्लस 8 बाई 2, तो 12, 20 बाई 2 मतलब 10। सो द एरिया ऑफ दिस आइसोसिलेटेड ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी, एस माइनस सी, राइट। एस कितना है आपका 10 है, फिर ये कितना है 10 माइनस 6 है, ए बी कितना है 10 माइनस 6, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 10 माइनस 8। सो यू गॉट दिस 10, ये कितना 4 रिमेनिंग, दिस इज ऑल्सो 4 एंड दिस इज 2। सो यू हैव द 4 स्क्वायर इंटू 10 20 मतलब 4 5 जाता, तो 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 5, राइट। स्क्वायर रूट लेके गया तो 4 2 आर 8 अंडर रूट 5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, राइट। तो ओके, सो फिर पार्ट 3 एरिया, सो सिंपल एरिया ऑफ पार्ट 1 we got 256 centimeter square. Again, area of part 2, right, it is also 256 centimeter square, and area of part 3, it is also 8 under root 5 centimeter square. हमने अलग अलग करके सारे एरियाज हैं तो नॉर्मली क्या करते हैं बच्चों, फाइंड आउट कर दिए यहाँ पे ही। चलो क्लियर, समझ में आ गया यहाँ पे, अंडरस्टैंड दिस, ओके। तो हम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस और भी है, क्योंकि एग्जांपल है, थोड़े इलस्ट्रेशन है, उसको भी सॉल्व करेंगे, ओके। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर के हम लोग उसके अंदर वो कंप्लीट कर देंगे, ओके। सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। ऐसी प्रैक्टिस करते रहो, वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब, मतलब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, वीडियो को लाइक करो, ओके, कमेंट डालो, ओके। टिल देन एंड बाय बाय।